Powered by twin sequential turbos, the 6.4 power stroke came from the factory with 350 horsepower, but when turned up can kick a Cummins or Duramax ass.
Hey guys, it's Harley. This is now. We took the hood off. Can you see it? I'm just gonna do this. That's better. Alright. We took her off. This is before. This is my... I wonder if... because they're two different colors. I wonder if we're gonna have to repaint the whole wood. Which would really suck. I hope not. But this is what it looks like right now. My clear coat is gone.
What you gonna do when it all burns down? Fire, fire, burning higher. Still got time to turn it all around. Now I ain't one for speaking out much, but that don't mean I don't stay in touch. Everybody's tripping over this or that. What we gonna do when we all fall flat? Liar, liar, the world's on fire. What we gonna do when it all burns down? What to think about us? When did we lose? In God we trust. God Almighty, what we gonna do if God ain't...
Hey guys, this is Dolly. It's Friday. She's back home, all fixed up. This is what the hood looks like. We had to sand all the paint off because it was too far gone. This is the difference. There's no difference. That was already there. But there's no difference in the paint color. I was like scared of that, but no issues. All good. All good. I don't know if we are before or not. I'm up here. But, oh my goodness. Alright. This area here, the clear coat faded off. It was sunburnt. Clear coat was gone. I wonder if we're gonna have to repaint the whole wood, which would really suck. I hope not. But this is what it looks like right now. My clear coat is gone. So that's where we sanded, and that's where the original paint came off. And you can't even tell. Can't even tell. Perfect.
Hi. Hi.
So hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband.